Namaste, welcome to sisrekhaskitchen.com. Today I am making chimili. Chimili is a traditional Indian sweet made out of sesame seeds and jaggery. Sesame seeds are a rich source of plant protein. Not only protein, sesame seeds are also a rich source of calcium, which is good for bone health. 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds contain approximately 88 milligrams of calcium. Let us see how to make. Take 1 cup of brown sesame seeds and dry roast them on low-medium heat. Keep stirring them. While they are roasting, let us see the health benefits of sesame seeds. Sesame seeds lower cholesterol and reduce the risk of heart disease. Sesame seeds are low in carbohydrates and high in proteins and healthy fats, which helps to reduce the blood sugar levels. Sesame seeds reduce arthritic joint pain. They are a good source of selenium, which supports thyroid health. Sesame seeds balance hormones and reduces hot flashes in menopausal women. They have been an important food for women's health in India for so many years. Sesame seeds have many more health benefits. These are just a few. Keep stirring them so that they don't get burned. Switch off the flame when they are slightly changing color. At this stage, you will also notice the sesame seeds are popping up and slightly swelling. Allow them to cool down. For 1 cup of sesame seeds, we need 3/4 cup of jaggery. Keep the jaggery aside and grind the sesame seeds. I am using my food processor to grind my sesame seeds. Sesame seeds are crushed nicely. Now add the jaggery to the sesame seed powder and grind it again. For a rich taste, you can use 1 cup of jaggery, but I am using 3/4 cup, which is good enough. Jaggery and sesame seeds are mixed together. Transfer this into a bowl. Break the lumps and mix it together. Take some mixture into your hand and make it into a laddu. You don't have to add ghee to make laddus. They can be stored in the room temperature for up to 2 weeks. There are more healthy recipes on my website at sisrekhaskitchen.com. Please do visit my website. I made 8 laddus with these measurements. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please try this healthy recipe and give me your feedback. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. You can find me on my Facebook page Sisrekha's Kitchen.